Hello everyone, how to freeze column in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have sales data. So here I'm going to freeze the first column of this data. So go to the view tab. In window group, click on the freeze pen option and click on here the third option, freeze first column. And you can see your first column is freezed. Just scroll in your data. So just scroll and you can see your first column is visible when you scroll in data. Okay. To unfreeze is same as in window group, click on the freeze pen and here the first option unfreeze pens. Okay. And now when you scroll your data, your first column is not visible. Okay. And now here I'm going to freeze the three column. So column number A, B, and C. After the third column, I select the first cell of D column. Okay. Just select the first cell of the D column and go to the freeze pen option and click on the freeze pens. Now just scroll it and see here the three column is freeze. When you scroll, the three column is visible. Okay. And to unfreeze is same as click on the freeze pens and click on the unfreeze. Now you scroll it and see here. So the first three column is not visible now. And if you want to freeze the first two row, so select the cell after two row. So this is the first row and then second row and this is the third row. So you just select the first cell after two rows. Then click on the freeze pen and click on the freeze pens. Now just scroll and you can see the first two row is freeze. I click on the freeze pen and unfreeze it. And now here I'm going to freeze three column and three row. So here the first three column A, B, C. Then you can select the first cell, but here I'm also going to freeze the three row. So 1, 2, 3. So after third row, I select this cell. Okay, so first three column and three row. Okay, three column, then three row, and after that, in fourth column, I select this cell. After select the cell, just click on the freeze pen and click on the freeze pens option. Now just scroll and here you can see the first three row here visible when you scroll it. Okay, first three row. Same when you scroll right hand side, you can see first three column here visible. Okay, it's freeze. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.